Hey guys, it's Tristan Duplichain again, and I'm bringing you a new video. This is actually a behind-the-scenes session that I did with the Sony A7R IV. It's actually the first session that I did when I purchased this camera. I know it's a little bit late, and I actually already posted a photo shoot with this camera after this one, but I don't know. I just ended up editing that one first, so we're just going to go with it. I really love the quality of these images. We went at probably around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's very bright outside, no shade whatsoever, and the range in these images is absolutely phenomenal. I did make the mistake of shooting this uncompressed, so the amount of gigs that it took to download this shoot was absolutely insane. So I definitely fixed that. So definitely compress your images, or it's going to be a very large file and it's going to take forever for Lightroom to render these files. This behind the scenes shoot is actually of a clothing company that I work for in my hometown. And that is all I have for you today. I just figured I would go ahead and just show you this quick little behind the scenes shoot. This was taken on my GoPro on top of my Sony. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.